Welcome back. One of the things that we can do in doing a sales presentation is we can ask ChatGPT what the best frameworks are for writing sales letters. And so we're going to do that right now. And we're going to ask a specific question, and we're going to ask the chatbot to list 10 frameworks. And once we have our information in, we're then going to click enter. Once you have your frameworks, one of the things that you can do based on the information that you already have in your conversation with ChatGPT is to ask the chatbot to use it as a context. And so that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to ask the chatbot to use one of the frameworks to write a specific sales presentation. And we're now going to click enter. And we're going to allow ChatGPT to do its work with the framework we've asked it to use for the above sales presentation. So once the process is complete, you're going to go through each framework and you're going to determine which of the frameworks you like best in order to work with. Now, in order to go forward, once we've chosen a framework, we're going to work with that framework in detail. Now, for some elements of a sales presentation, we're actually going to use other frameworks, and now that we have them listed in this conversation, we will then be able to use them. Now, we're not yet ready to start creating for a final draft. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to move to the next step of adding in personalized and background information. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.